What's up YouTube? It's your boy Tim coming back at you with another YouTube video, and welcome to TA Vlogs. If this is your first time stopping by the channel, I would like to say welcome, and if you guys could, please hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. All of that does help out the YouTube algorithm and helps boost my videos to more and more people, so thank you to every single one of you guys that do that on all my videos. So last week on my channel, we did a sneaker review of the Air Jordan 2 Union collab in the gray fall colorway, so it's only right that I come with a part 2. So for today's video, we're gonna go over the Air Jordan 2 Union collab, but in the Rattan colorway, my personal favorite out of the two. So let's go over some of the materials on the shoe. Similar to the gray fall colorway, we have two main materials, which is gonna be canvas and suede. We have canvas right here around the ankle portion, canvas in the toe box and middle portions, and suede taking part of the rest of the shoe. Now we have the same suede that's on the back, Nike embossed right there in the heel portion, a cream midsole and a cream outsole, but a nice touch of blue right here at the bottom. And similar to how the gray fog has different grays on it, the Rattan colorway has different creams and tans. So we have different shades, whether it's on the canvas or the suede or on the midsole. And Union decided to go with their pop of color for this one as orange eyelets for the laces. And behind this piece of perforated suede, we have a hit of orange foam going throughout the middle portion of the shoe. For the sock lining, we have a leather sock lining, and you guessed it, in that cream colorway. One detail I didn't talk about that was on the gray pair, and I'm going to talk about right now, is that they do have an exposed foam tongue right here, similar to how Off-White does that. So we do see that exposed foam on the tongue, and on the back side of the tongue it is leather as well to match the sock lining. The insole is a yellow insole. We have the Jumpman and Union branding right at the bottom. For this tongue, it is a cream canvas tongue, and we have the Jumpman and Union LA branding right there as well. And just like the gray fog pair, we have this Air Jordan Wings logo. Another detail that I want to point out that I didn't point out on the gray pair is that we do have these stitch circles going around the ankle collar. On the tongue, if you can look behind the laces right here, we have the same circle stitches going out throughout the tongue as well. So for the shoe, they did give two extra laces, one being the cream lace, which is the same that comes as the dead stock lacing, and the second is going to be the orange lace, which matches the orange throughout the shoe perfectly. Me personally, I would keep the cream laces in, but if I do feel a little wild that day, I might throw that orange lace just to add a little bit more pop of color to the shoe. Now, out of the two colorways, this is going to be personally my favorite. I feel like this one's a lot more wearable, and creams are just more my vibe, and orange is my second favorite color. I think the quality on materials is perfect on here, coming from the leather sock lining to the suede to the canvas. Union definitely did kill this collab. And as you guys know, we give every sneaker a rating on this channel. On the gray fog colorway, I gave it a rating of a 9.3, and being that this is my favorite color, I'm gonna have to up that just a little bit, and I'm gonna give this shoe a rating of a 9.5. The colorway on here is A1, materials is great, and the pricing for this shoe isn't that expensive as well. And speaking on pricing, you go right now on StockX and go and get yourself a pair, depending on your size, going for anywhere between $250 to $300, which is a great bargain in my book. Now, I do believe this pair will go up in the future. Right now, we're kind of in a market crash, so everything's at its lowest. And at $250, if you can find any pairs for that price, I would definitely say buy it up. And I think around Christmas time, holiday season, this shoe should be around $350, $400, and maybe a year from now, this shoe should be sitting at anywhere between $500 to $600. That's just my opinion, not financial advice. Do what you think with it. Alright guys, well, that's gonna wrap up the video. I hope you guys did enjoy this quick sneaker review. If you guys are new here, make sure to smash that subscribe button and make sure to hit that like button if you did enjoy today's video. And in the comment section down below, let me know which Air Jordan 2 Union do you like better. Do you like the gray fog or the Rattan? Let me know down below. Don't forget to check me out on Instagram and TikTok. Both of those links will be down in the description box below. And don't forget to check out my Discord, Poppy Gang. That's going to be the top link in the description down below. Come through and let's keep growing the community over there. It's been your boy Tim. Catch you in the next video. Peace.